What a life. What a life.
How many out there don't have a smartphone? Raise your hand. Oh, that's pretty interesting. I got a better question. Which brand do you guys think is the best? Samsung! Apple. Windows? Oh, come on, guys. You know what? It really doesn't matter which one you pick, right? They all do the same thing. They all get you internet, email, texting, Facebook. The four elements of our world today. But if you think about it, it's amazing, isn't it? Through the miracle of modern technology, we've turned plastic, glass, and metal into one of the most powerful things you can fit in the palm of your hand. You can take all of the information of the world and put it at your fingertips. And we can connect with each other in more ways than we can even imagine. It also acts as a phone too. I know a lot of people will agree when they say that their smartphones are a very important part of their life. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Toastmasters, what a life! I know that no matter what brand you pick, no matter what flavor you choose, they all do the same thing. They help you become stupider every time. First off, they make you become a terrible speller. Wait, no, I said that wrong. No, your phone is too smart for that. It will autocorrect every word you write so that you never, ever spell a word wrong. But by the miracle of modern technology, you can still sound like an idiot. You see, the written word is one of the main principles that we think of humanity. Yet, this is a text word for word from my friend Dave. Jason, you home? Well, I'm driving over right now, and I got drugs in the passenger seat. I meant drunk. I meant Doug. Ah, Jesus Chalupa. All I could write back was, Dave, are you sure you don't have drugs? I mean, smartphones, guys, they also ruin your memory. Off the top of your head, how many phone numbers do you think you can recite right now? You know, when I was in first grade, I knew all of the phone numbers for all of my friends. All 7 of them. Imagine that. I dream of remembering 7 numbers right now. You know, off the top of my head, I got my home phone, yeah. I got my cell phone. And maybe the number for 911? That's all I got. You know my contacts list? Everybody's listed by first name, last name, where I met you from. I have 4 Mike 24-hour fitnesses. I have 2 April Barnes & Nobles. And because of all of you, I have a lot of people with the last name Toastmasters. But looking at your phone, looking into your palm, it's a very, very troubling thing indeed. I know that everybody just wants to connect with the world outside, but they always forget the world that's just right here. Right? Case in point, driving. You know, in 2011, almost 25% of all the accidents that occurred were because of cell phones. Crazy, right? Imagine somebody thought it was way more important to shoot out a text or like a Facebook post rather than see the car right in front of them. Oh man, I know how it happens. I just did it today, driving. Just like that. And you blame the guy in front of you. You know, I can see myself dying because of that. And you guys will know my last words because I'll shoot out a text right there. It'll say, nah, I don't want to go to the movies tonight. How about we ... It'll be written on my tombstone. Here lies Jason Baguio. He should have went to the movies. But really, seriously guys, this constant checking in is a very, very troubling thing. You know when I carpool with my friend Doug? You know what he does when he jumps right in the passenger seat? looks at his phone, opens his Facebook, checks his messages, laughs at a cat playing piano. Think about it, guys. Next time you go out to a restaurant, you see friends sitting around a table. Try and count how many of those friends are just looking down, twiddling their thumbs. They just want to connect with people. Well, if they look anywhere else except down, they can connect with all those people right there. So let's not forget, guys, even though cell phones can be the most helpful thing imaginable, don't let them make you look like an idiot. And remember, no matter how helpful they be, just remember, put them down once in a while. I feel smarter already.